Good morning.
Good morning.
13 degrees out here. It doesn't get this cold in Texas. Ever. But it has been really cold here lately. Historically cold. The kids are already down at the barn feeding. We've been trying to make sure everything stayed alive. So far everything's alive. But it's supposed to get like to 9 or something tonight. 7. Then tomorrow night, 0. Hi, kitty cat. Let's see what Lincoln's doing. What do you think? What do you think, fellas? You alright? Your hands are cold? It's 13 degrees out, it says.
Yeah. They said today the kittens up because it's freezing. They're cold. So, we'll make sure the fans on. It won't shut. My hands are getting right up.
Good. Are you cold, Link?
Yeah.
It's cold!
Not by freezing. My hands will freeze on my first bucket.
Alright. Okay, we'll see what's going on over here. Oh, we gotta get firewood in the muck bucket before we go up. Hello, little kitty. Reagan made them a little spot. The cats. A little spot in here. They've been pretty warm in there. We may need to bring them in. Although, their water is not frozen in here.
Well, this is our waters. It's not supposed to get this cold in Texas, but I guess it did.
I've said that already, I think. Laying hens. They have not left the stall yet.
Oh, because it's freezing out.
They're like, no eggs. Oh, there's an egg.
Oh, in here?
2 eggs, 3 eggs. We've been missing those eggs.
Oh, boy.
Oh, and the fat chickens. Oh my gosh. So, we were supposed to butcher these fat chickens yesterday. Everything was frozen, so we did not. They're doing well. We cleaned the stall out yesterday. Put some fresh shavings. Some hay. Look at them fatties. Alright, we'll see how Cochise is doing. Okay. What's he doing? Is he in there? He's in there. That's where he's been hanging out. With his heat lamp in there. There he is! Hey, goat.
Okay.
So it's been crazy. That's for certain. It doesn't get this cold in Texas. So, I don't know if you can tell, but we got snow drifting in the barn. I knew we got a cute little kitty cat right in here.
This is the only thing we can give to the goat because there's a thing in this jug.
Well, you can dip it in the water trough, the cow water trough.
This is really pretty, but this is not good.
Really pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
For some reason, these chickens like this feeder better. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about it. But they prefer this green feeder over the other galvanized ones. What do you think, Kat? You guys standing in the water trough?
Yeah. Together. Hopefully it doesn't wait.
Pretty thick.
Yep.
Pretty thick ice.
Now let's break it.
We've left that one running for obvious reasons.
That one hasn't frozen a long time though.
What do you think about this weather, Reagan?
I don't like it. I hate the cold. We're gonna, yeah, because we're gonna get good glove.
So, Lincoln, will you run over and get the pick so you can get the ice out of there?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. What do you think, Coachies? What do you think of this weather? These guys don't care as long as we keep giving them grain. We've got to get some firewood. And kind of unfortunately, our firewood is in that stall. So maybe we should wait until they get done eating. Or they're probably gonna knock over our bucket. It looks like they have frosting on them. They look like an Oreo that's been opened up.
Sad. That one has a horn.
Which one? This one?
Not the first one, but the second one.
Does he?
Well, he is not the third one.
The little baldy, little short, stumpy one? He's a nice looking steer. Oh boy. Bless you. Bless you. You getting a cold? Your chin's cold? She's cold. Yeah, your gloves? Look at this. We don't do a thing right here in the cold weather.